Tugochaka kurwa sensemo ya Kisii School abwase estimu ya bene ya rugby ya Kisii RFC igendete kwiyarigania gusibe kimeranira nyareko bakegotwara litukulia nkyo chinsemo cha Cardinal Otunga Mosocho asemeno bie ligi ya National Super League sensemo erie chigosoli cha rugby Netosanga semo masemo muna captain we team ya Kisii RFC omekerebuna Samson Mobesa ngererebuna mbe ariganitike boyikirano kogosoria mune team ya Jaramogi Odinga University ase chinsemecho ase wekera bono Kisii RFC neretanga ina se ligi yeyo.
Mimi naitwa Samson Mopesa. Mimi ndo the captain Kisii Rugby. Nimekuwa the captain this season and hiyo imekuwa a very good opportunity for me as a person. This season tumekuwa na very good performance. We are number 1 at the table. Na coming this Saturday on 10th February tutakuwa na game against JOOST Cardinal Otunga huko ndo venue. We have been preparing for this game for 2 weeks now. Since our last game against Rongo, which we won. We're playing National League, so we are almost heading to the playoffs. Mimi niko very excited for my team because they are very hardworking. Every day tunapatana hapa Kisii University playing ground, tuna train na niko very excited.
I'm Frank Mlesi, Vice Captain Kisii Rugby. It's been a good season. We've had many wins despite the lack of equipment and difficult training conditions. As you can see, we don't really have a good field to train, and we don't currently have a home ground since our field at Gusii Stadium is under renovation, and so we have to travel quite a distance